Good afternoon, Warriors. Today's Thursday, the 5th of December, 2019. Today's an early release day. Students are heading home an hour early. In math, you've got 20 minutes of Modimax that is due tomorrow. Hopefully you took advantage and got that done today. If not, guess what? Tomorrow during your Warrior time, you need to get that done. Also, our Christmas Add Extra Credit, that will end this upcoming Monday. So you've got the rest of the weekend to get through that. In science, our lesson review, page 399 for both regular and honors is due tomorrow. As well as in honors, we got a variables and hypothesis due at the end of class tomorrow. That is for our science project. In social studies, you need to finish the Hanging Gardens advertisement, as we're discussing Babylon and other things in class today. In language arts, you need to bring earbuds. This is going to be a very big emphasis moving forward. The earbuds is a required school supply. Too many of you are forgetting them or not bringing them to class. And once we start the second semester, some changes are going to be coming in regards to that requirement. In literature, our goal is due by Friday, December the 13th. You also need to finish your main idea paper for the beginning of class on Friday. That's something we worked on in class today after we read out of our Storyworks magazine. That is it for this early dismissal Thursday. Everyone take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.